Welcome to Workbook PSC ICDS Supervisor Question Paper Discussion. Pellagra is caused due to the deficiency of niacin. RDA for iron for an adult Indian woman 21 mg/d. Fatty liver is a characteristic feature of Kwashiorkor. Which of the following is not an activity of NIN? Supplementary nutrition. Which of the following is a condition not associated with uncontrolled diabetics? Neurosis of liver cells. Egg is used in cookery as emulsifier. A food rich omega-3 fatty acid, nuts. SNF of standard milk is 8.5%. Is derived from wheat. Pectin are soluble fiber. Mass approach in communication can be obtained through exhibitions. An outline of activities so arranged as to enable efficient execution of the entire program plan of work. An example of non-projected visual aid flashcard. Non-formal education is organized. Midday meal program for school children aged between 6 to 11 years. Primary classes must provide per day 450 kilocalories and 12 gram protein. The enzyme present in saliva, tyalin. An accessory sex organ in male, epididymis. The opening of the aorta and pulmonary artery is guarded by semilunar valves. Which of the following is not a fermented food? Chapati. Name a protozoal disease. Amoebic dysentery. Participatory approach of child rearing where children are helped by parents or teachers on taking decisions about various things. Democratic pattern. Language development in children is promoted through storytelling. Immunization given to children against tuberculosis, BCG. Which among the following is not a reflex present at the time of birth? Key jerk or reflex when tapped. Physical and psychological readiness of the children to enter school is necessary as it affects his personality. Identify the sociologist who coined the term primary group. C.H. Cooley. Dash is the most essential and basic type of socialization. Primary socialization. Joined together and working together for a common goal is generally called cooperation. Among the following, which one is not a characteristic of joint family? Individuality and achieved status. Ilm is an example of a patriarchal joint family. POXO Act was enacted by the Parliament in the year 2012. Gerontology is the study of aspects of aging. Vimukti is a Kerala government mission for awareness against addiction. Minamata is a disease caused by a release of the chemical mercury. The venue of First Earth Summit, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Community Development Program launched in 1952. National Consumer Day is observed on December 24. November social distance in a city is due to the social heterogeneity. The first woman Prime Minister in the world, Sirimava Bandaranaike. According to 2011 census, female sex ratio in India 943. Name the social activist who led the historical struggle against MNC Coca-Cola. Mailamma. Nirbhaya Act came into force on April 3rd, 2013. The first transgender school in India has opened in Kochi. Which among the following is not a method of primary data collection? Content analysis. The well-known ethnological work Remembered Village is written by M.N. Srinivas. The small-scale preliminary study conducted in order to understand the feasibility of actual study is known as a pilot study. Set of questions which are asked and filled by the interviewer in a face-to-face interview with another person is known as a schedule. Which among the following is not a quality of case study? Versatility. Name the dam in Narmada River which allegedly causing displacement of thousands of tribal people in Gujarat. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Identify the name given to the tropical cyclone that hit Kerala coastal lines during December 2017. Okay. A special award has been constituted which is given for best reporting on women in Panchayati Raj. What is the name of that award? Sarojini Naidu Award. Gender difference denotes an analytical framework in which social and ideological differences between sexes are explained. Tharavad is a matrilineal joint family found in the state of Kerala. Maya and John are unmarried, live together and have no children. They are a cohabiting couple. A whirlwind relationship that begins the day a couple meets and quickly results in cohabitation or engagement followed by marriage is called fetus love. Which of the following are most likely to be involved in domestic violence? Young adults of both sexes. A long-term use of cocaine may develop symptoms of other psychological disorders such as major depression, social phobia, eating disorders, all of this. The alcohol intoxicated individual has less cognitive capacity available to process all ongoing information, and so alcohol acts to narrow attention and means that the drinker processes fewer cues less level. This is known as alcohol myopia. Dash takes many forms ranging from emotional abuse by family and caretakers to sexual and other forms of physical abuse and includes financial scams, reckless assault. Definition of domestic violence is provided under Section 3, which shall be a competent court to try the cases pertaining to Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, the Court of JMFC. Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 came into force from 26 October 2006. What type of unemployment is found in the agriculture sector of India? Disguised unemployment. Dash, launched in 2015, has an objective of enabling a large number of Indian youth to take up industry-relevant skill training that will help them in securing a better livelihood. Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. Which of the following is not considered as a social indicator of poverty? Less number of means of transport. The concept of entitlements was introduced by Amartya Sen. In which year was NREGA enacted? 2005. Conducts the periodical sample survey for estimating the poverty line in India. National Sample Survey Organization. High-level radioactive waste can be managed in which of the following ways? Dumping in sealed containers. Ashok Mehta Committee in 1977 recommended for the establishment of a Panchayat Samiti. In the Indian Constitution, which type of the Sabha is mentioned under Panchayat Raj, Gram Sabha? Under Constitutional Article 243, what is the meaning of Panchayat? Self-government. How many posts are reserved for women at all levels in Panchayati Raj system? 1/3. Prohibition of child labor is dealt by the Article 24. Sociogenic aging based on folklore, prejudices and stereotype about age. Fear of open places is called agoraphobia. The ability to perceive objects or events that do not directly stimulate your sense organs. Clairvoyance. Prosopagnosia is the inability to detect a familiar face. The variable that is measured in an experiment is dependent variable. Procedural memory is otherwise known as implicit memory, the form of conditioning in which the conditioned stimulus and the unconditioned stimulus begins and ends at the same time is called simultaneous conditioning. William Wundt founded the first laboratory of psychology in Germany in the year 1879. Dash lobe is associated with vision. Occipital. Our tendency to think of using objects only as they have been used in the past. Functional fixedness. Maslow refers to physiological safety and social needs as deficiency needs. Negative symptoms in schizophrenia. Avolition. Examples of odd and eccentric behavior. Schizoid. A visual cue based on comparison of the size of an unknown object to object of known size is relative size. Who proposed triarchic theory of intelligence? Sternberg. DSM-IV-TR was published in the year 2000. Titchener associated with structuralism. Neuron that carry information from sense organ to spinal cord afferent. Smaller and faster brain waves indicating mental activity. Beta. An example of concept that closely matches the defining characteristics of the concept. Prototype. Part of personality that acts as moral center. Superego. The basic unit of sound in language is phonemes. Tendency of certain kind of information to enter long-term memory with little or no effortful encoding. Constructive processing. A Gestalt principle of perception. The tendency to complete figures that are incomplete is closure. Type of thinking in which a person starts from one point and comes up with many different ideas and possibilities based on that point. Divergent thinking. Which one of the following is not a projective technique? Weiss. Please subscribe our channel Workbook PSC. Thank you for watching our channel Workbook PSC.